I've heard a lot of domain flippers ask me, Faith, where can I sell my domain for a higher profit, for 10x, for 50x profits? In this video, I'm going to show you the exact website where you can sell your domain for a higher profit. Let's say you bought a domain from Namecheap, Spaceship, or from any other domain registrars. I have a video on this channel that talks about the best place to buy domain and hosting. You can watch that video. If you have purchased already and you want to resell for a higher profit, I will show you the exact website you can sell it without losing your money and with a higher profit. So if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, I am Faith Amole. I'm a digital marketer and a web designer. On this channel, I teach complete beginners e-commerce, digital marketing and web design, and I help business owners build professional websites with WordPress, WooCommerce and Shopify. If this is something you love, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. The website you can use is Flipper. Just come to your browser and type www.faithamole.com/flipper and it will bring you to this place. As soon as you come here, you can decide to sign up as a seller or as a buyer. I'm here to sell. You can toggle it on. I'm here to buy. You can also do that. So if you want to sign up, just quickly sign up. But I've already signed up and I've logged into my account. I'm going to search for domains here. I want to see if there are people selling domains here so that we will be sure if domains are actually selling here, and we'll also check the amount the domains are selling here, because that will also give us an insight into what we're going into, if it is going to be profitable or not, before we even list our domain here. You can decide to get a free valuation. Flipper has this particular evaluation tool that can help you determine the cost or the price of what you want to sell. You want to know the worth, you want to know the likely amount you're going to sell it. So this tool is handy here. If you want to sell, just quickly search. Let's search for domain. Let's see the ones that are currently listed here. We want to start with that. As you can see, over 5,000 people are ready to buy here. So I'm going to quickly switch over to domains. If you look at the left hand side, you can see a whole lot of things you can filter. These are things you can filter. Domains fall under websites, right? So we're going to search for domains under asset type. Let's go to asset type. Okay, domains. See domains here. I want to uncheck others. I don't want these ones. I just want only domains. You can uncheck all of these ones to just show you domains only. All these ones, I don't need them. I don't need them. So for now, we are selling our domain. Let's see. Now we have domains. So you can decide to check the length of your domain. If you can filter here, you can filter the domain. Then the extension you want to sell, is it .com, .org? You can filter. So you can decide to filter. Let me filter this, and this. Let's see what is obtainable here. Let's see what is selling here already. Take your time to filter this. Revenue generating domains. Do you want to see domains that are generating revenues already? You can decide to say, yes, I don't want to see the ones that are making money. I want to see the ones that are making money. Let's see all of them here. Let's quickly look at this domain. This particular one is not making money. I think I switched to the ones that are not. So we want to see revenue generating. Yes, I want to see the ones that are making money. I don't want to see the ones that are not making money. So it has given us the ones that are making money. Can you see? Immediately I switched to this one, it brought out this, right?